If King Kong can make 155, okay, bring this guy here.
This week they asked me fight with 5 different guys. I say I'm tired about this. If you can bring King Kong and he can make 155, let's go.
Connor's in New York right now, right? Like, what happens if the two of you see each other on the street?
Fight?
Win or lose, will you shake Connor's hand after the fight?
I'm gonna shake his hand?
After the fight, win or lose,
No.
will you?
No way. No way.
Why not?
Because
Come here. Send me a message, like location. I'm gonna come. Whatever you want, doesn't matter. Ireland, New York, Brooklyn, or Moscow, doesn't matter. Tell me, where?
when I catch his neck and I choke him, like he tap, you know, it's like, and I think, hey, you bring like thousands people from Ireland here on different part of world, and you tap in front of them, like, and you talk about warrior or something like this. How you can tap? Go sleep.